This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drivebelts replacement. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Removal. Remove the retaining clips and reposition the access cover in the wheel well. Using a long wrench, remove the tension from the tensioner and slip the belt off of a pulley. Then release the tension and remove the drive belt. Installation. Guide the drive belt around the pulleys. From underneath, align the belt to the crankshaft, air conditioning compressor, and idler pulleys. Guide the belt around the water pump pulley. Retract the tensioner, then slip the belt over the alternator pulley. When the belt is in place, ease the tension off of the tensioner and allow the tensioner to take up the slack. Install the access cover and secure it with the retaining clips. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the lug nuts to the specified torque setting.